Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another week in my hair video because I love doing these videos for you guys. I just love to take you through my week and show you guys how I maintain my hair, and I really want you guys to get an accurate, real picture of natural hair care. So before I head into this week, this is a fresh wash and go. In my last video I would have shown you guys how I achieved this look through wet stretching. So today is day one of wearing my hair like this. I did this style yesterday and I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys on my hair and just do a length check quickly. So my hair is right here. For some perspective, my waist is here. So in order for me to reach waist length, it's gonna be about a good 6 to 10 inches to waist length. So yeah, we will see how that goes. I'm actually hoping to reach waist length by December, and we're in September, so I don't know if I can grow 10 inches of hair in 4 months. But we'll see how far I get. Yeah, so that's it. Let's head into my week and I will show you guys how I maintain my hair. It is still day one. I just finished recording some videos for you guys, and because I'm not going anywhere today, I am gonna put my hair right back up because right now in Trinidad we are experiencing some insane heat, and since I'm not going anywhere today, I am just gonna put my hair back up right now. So basically I'm going to put my hair up in a high bun, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this is how my hair is most of the time, because I explained to you guys that I'm now self-employed. I work from home, so a lot of the days my hair is just in this high bun, and this is how I work out. This is how I sleep with my hair, and this is how my hair is during the day. A lot of the times it's just in a high bun. If I'm not going anywhere, it's gonna be like this. So I know sometimes in these videos some days are missing, and that is just because I wore my hair in a high bun and I just don't mess with it. I just leave it up in a bun. So I'm just going to get a ponytail holder. One ponytail holder, and then I'm going to put another one. Let me see if I can get down a bit for you guys to see. At the top of my head, I'm just going to go in with another ponytail holder, and I'm going to pull it around. I'm not going to pull it through. So it's kind of going to be like that on top of my head. Yeah, so you guys will actually see throughout the week, and if I don't come on and say that I'm doing anything with my hair that day, then it means that this was my hairstyle for the entire day. I am getting ready to head out in a bit, and I just took my hair down from the bun that it was in, and I'm now trying to style it to go out, and I'm realizing that like I need to sort of play with it more than I usually would, just to get it to fall right. Whatever angle it would have taken when I put the ponytail holder around it, it sort of stays that way. So that's why you would have pieces like sticking up randomly. And so I'm just gonna spend some time fluffing it out. So I finally finished fiddling with my hair, and this is how I wore my hair that day. And it is Sunday, and this is how I wore my hair. I found that this wash and go was a lot frizzier than I liked. So it is Monday and it is time to refresh my hair. I just like to give my hair a bit of moisture during the week because it can get a bit dry. So what I do is I spritz my hair with some herbal tea. I'll be releasing my tea soon, but this is just my testing phase, so I'm testing it out on myself. So I spray my hair with the tea first, and then I just ensure that my ends get a lot of the tea because it is very moisturizing. So I spray it on my ends, and then I go in with some of my Healthy Hair by Ren hydrating hair cream, and I sort of just squeeze it into my hair. I don't rake and I don't manipulate the curls too much. I just gently apply the hydrating hair cream, squeezing it into the strands to ensure that it's evenly distributed. After I did the same thing on both sides, I just really put my hair back up into a bun because, as I explained earlier, it's just been really hot in Trinidad. So I just put my hair back up in a bun. And that's it. This is wash day again. My hair is a dry, matted mess. So that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more great videos. Bye, guys.